Hey everyone, today we're testing something fun and interesting. Can you still play games on the iPhone 5 in 2025? This phone came out way back in 2012, and now it's over a decade old. But, can it still handle mobile gaming today? Let's find out. The iPhone 5 was one of Apple's most iconic phones. It had a 4-inch Retina display, the A6 chip, and 1 GB of RAM. At the time, it was a powerful device. But compared to modern smartphones, it's very outdated. So, gaming on it in 2025 might be a challenge. First, let's try some simple, lightweight games like Subway Surfers or Temple Run. These classic games actually run pretty well, though loading times are a bit slower than modern phones. Now, if we try more demanding games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty Mobile, the iPhone 5 simply can't run them, because they need a newer iOS version and stronger hardware. Overall, the iPhone 5 can still play basic games that don't require heavy graphics or the latest iOS updates. It's more of a retro gaming experience now. You can enjoy older titles, but don't expect smooth gameplay on modern 3D games. So, can you play games on the iPhone 5 in 2025? The answer is yes, but only the older, lightweight ones. If you're a gamer, this phone is more of a nostalgic device than a practical one. What do you think? Would you still play games on the iPhone 5 today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech throwback videos.